Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with Ekadashi special recipe. Today we will be making Kesar Ilaichi Shrikhand, which is simply amazing. It is very interesting to look at the transformation of curd into such a mouth-watering dish. Moreover, Shrikhand is so delicious that it doesn't even require cooking. So let's get started. For making Shrikhand here I have taken 2 kg of curd or yogurt. You can also take homemade fresh curd or buy it from out. Here I have taken a strainer below which I have kept a bowl or a vessel so that good amount of water gets drained from the curd. Next, place a muslin cloth on a vessel. Make sure the cloth is thin as we need hung curd now. For this, all the water needs to get drained. Now add the curd into this muslin cloth. We are going to make this Shrikhand for Ekadashi and will be using limited ingredients. You can also make this Shrikhand for house program as it's very easy to make. Now hold the cloth from all the sides. You can see the water is dripping. Keep it hang on the tap or tie it. And keep it for 5 hours. After 5 hours, all the water drained enough. Let's open this cloth. You can see how smooth the curd is. It has thickened and have got a creamy texture. Next, transfer it into a mixing bowl. Next, give it a random mix. It is really soft and all the water has been drained. Now beat this curd and smoothen it further to make it creamy. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. Further, give it a final stir and into this add 1 and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Give it a mix and combine the sugar well. As we add sugar and keep mixing, the curd loosens and the texture turns creamy. The sugar has combined well into the curd. The sugar has combined well into the curd. Next, take dry fruits, some chopped cashew nuts, some pistachios, some almonds and raisins. Add this all. Further add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. Add the saffron milk wherein I had soaked 7 to 8 saffron strands in 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix all this evenly. Instead of dry fruits, you can also add fruits. This will give you fresh Shrikhand. And you can also add other dry fruits like dried figs and walnuts. These two taste very good and the of saffron gives it royal taste. Mixed well. Actually, you can flavor it with other ingredients also, but has an exotic taste and these are easily available also. Now you can see its consistency. It is so creamy and perfect. Our Shrikhand is ready. You can keep it in freeze also. We can store it in freeze for 1 week. Our Shrikhand is ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Jagannath. Our Ekadashi special Shrikhand is offered and ready. If you like Bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any Bhoga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.